Hello, this is my screen recording for the growth policy assignment. In this video, I will demonstrate creating a central store configuring a Windows 11 password policy, explaining how password complexity is enforced, enabling auditing the default domain controller's policy, and explaining how auditing can be used to monitor user disease and activity. So, the first part, I created a central store for administrative templates. I downloaded the Windows 11 2022 H2 administrative template files. As you can see on here. Then on my local disk, here, go here, and policies, policy and definitions. Over here, I have copied all the ADMX files and the language folder into the policy definitions folder located inside the sysball on my domain controller as I show you. So this ensures all domain controllers use the same templates when applied to build policies without any issues at all. So it's really good to know it and how can we be able to use it as you can see if the ADMX here policies, sysball domain policies, and as well as you can see over here, the folders with the language as well, without any issues at all, working perfectly. Now, we'll be going and showing you that I have created a good policy object titled Windows 11 password policy over here. So I will go here, click Tools, go to Growth Policy Management. Let's wait for it in the meantime. And as you can see, I have created my Windows 11 password policy. I have included all the users of accounting auditors, employees, HR, IT, management, users, stakeholders as well. And now we go in here, click, right click, it to showing you that I have configured the following policies over here. So here, policies. Then I will go for Windows settings. After that, I will be clicking on here on security settings. Then I will move this out a little bit to the right side. And over here, as you can see, I have local policies. Over here, I have audit policy, user right assignments, and as well as the current policies with the password policy that I have defined with the maximum password age of 91 days, and with the minimum password length of 13 characters, and with a minimum password age of 0 days, as you can see, and the stored password using reversible encryption disabled. So I also set the account over here for a lockout policy where I have the threshold to 5 valid intents, as you can see over here, the account lookout threshold with 5 embodied attempts with a 5 lookout duration of 30 minutes and reset account lookout counter after for 10 minutes. So these will be able to protect and be able to do it at these moments as I have set it right. So they will have to be worried about it. Also, with a group policy can also be used to enforce password complexity requirements. So this means all user accounts in the domain must have passwords that include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. So this prevents users from creating weak passwords and is threatening overall security. And now, from the default countries policy, go here and close this. And the default domain policy here, 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 here a little bit, and over it's not required before because I haven't set up over here of the local policies and audit policy. I have done the audit account management, set it as failure, the audit logon events as failure, and the audit object access as success. So this settings allow the administrators to monitor their logins, account lookouts, and change to the Windows registry without any issues at all. So finally, authoring through the gov root policy helps administrators track and monitor important events in Active Directory. All activities are recorded in the Windows security log, which makes it easier to detect security issues, monitor changes to systems configurations, and review user activity for compliance. So this concludes my demonstrations of root policy for the assignment. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So here, thanks for